Good afternoon. We welcome you to our ongoing program. CPR Environmental Education Center, Chennai welcomes you to our ongoing program, Our Environment, Our Lifeline. Today, the topic is biodiversity. So long as this earth is full of nature, wild plants and animals, the human race is going to flourish. Charaka Samhita. Biodiversity or biological diversity includes all plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms, the genes they contain, the ecosystems they present. Relative number of described species in major taxa. Known total world species approximately 17,70,000. Estimated total world species 5 to 100 million. Types of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity is concerned with the variation in genes within a particular species. Species diversity refers to the variety of living organisms on Earth. Ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of habitats. Example, corals, grasslands, wetlands, deserts, mangroves, tropical rainforests, etc. Top 12 mega diverse nations of the world. It includes India. Value of biodiversity: soil formation and control of soil salinity, nutrient generation through decomposition and waste disposal, productivity, absorption of carbon dioxide and balance of atmospheric gases, stabilization of climate and mitigation of climatic change, maintenance of water table, enhancement of water and air quality, flood and drought control, and many more. Hotspots of biodiversity: different regions harbor a great diversity of endemic species. Biodiversity is significantly impacted and altered by human activities. There are 36 hotspots all over the world. In only 2.3% of the planet's land area, which contains 50% of all plant species, 44% of all terrestrial vertebrate species. Hotspots of biodiversity. Causes for loss of biodiversity: extinction of species and loss of biodiversity is caused by nature or man-made. Natural causes: floods, earthquakes, landslides, natural competition between species, lack of pollination and diseases. Man-made causes: destruction of habitat by developmental activities, housing, agriculture, construction of dams and reservoirs, roads, railway tracks, etc. Pollution has driven a variety of species towards extinction in air, water, land. Indiscriminate use of toxic chemicals and pesticides is also a reason for species extinction. Overexploitation of wildlife resources for commercial purposes, overhunting, poaching, illegal trade. Genetic erosion arises due to commercial and man-made pressures. The disappearance of the traditional conservation practices of wild species in their habitats by rural and tribal people. IUCN categories of threat: extinct, extinct in the wild, critically endangered, endangered, vulnerable, near threatened, least concern, data deficient, not evaluated. Why conservation? To preserve the continuity of different food chains, to preserve the genetic diversity of plants and animals. It ensures the sustainable utilization of life support systems on Earth. It provides vast knowledge which is of potential use to the scientific community, provides immediate benefits to society such as recreation and tourism, serves as an insurance policy for the future. In situ conservation: conserving animals and plants in their natural habitats is known as in situ conservation. This includes the establishment of national parks and sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, nature reserves, reserved and protected forests, preservation plots, reserved forests. Ex situ conservation: conservation outside the areas of natural occurrences, reintroduction of an animal or plant into the habitat from where it has become extinct is another form of ex situ conservation. Seed banks, botanical, horticultural, and recreational gardens are important centers for ex situ conservation. Biodiversity and the law. At the international arena, many conventions have been made to protect the biological diversity. The Ramsar Conservation on Wetlands 1971, Convention for the Protection of World Cultural and Natural Heritage 1972, Convention on International Trade of Endangered Species of Wildlife, Fauna and Flora, CITES 1973, Convention on the Conservation of European Wildlife and Natural Habitat 1979, World Conservation Strategy 1980, Convention of Biological Diversity 1992. Indian government made special act and rules to protect biodiversity. Biodiversity Act 2002 and Biodiversity Rules 2004. We can marvel at the colors of a butterfly, the grace of a giraffe, the power of an elephant, the delicate structure of a diatom. Every time a species goes extinct, we are irreversibly impoverished. Norman Myers. Resource materials developed by CPR Environmental Education Center. Stickers, posters, booklets. We will continue with a song on biodiversity in Tamil with English translation. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. அந்த ஒற்றுமை தன்னில் வேற்றுமை அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. அந்த ஒற்றுமை தன்னில் வேற்றுமை அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. மலர்களை தாவும் தேனீக்களினால் மகரந்தம் சேர்கிறது. மலர்களை தாவும் தேனீக்களினால் மகரந்தம் சேர்கிறது. அந்த மகரந்தத்தால் மணமிகும் காய்கறி கனியும் கிடைக்கிறது. அந்த மகரந்தத்தால் மணமிகும் காய்கறி கனியும் கிடைக்கிறது. தேனும் கனியும் கிடைக்கிறது. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. அந்த ஒற்றுமை தன்னில் வேற்றுமை அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. மண்புழுவெல்லாம் மண்ணுக்கு நல்ல உரங்களை தருகிறது. மண்புழுவெல்லாம் மண்ணுக்கு நல்ல உரங்களை தருகிறது. நம் மனிதர்கள் விலங்குகள் கழிவினை எல்லாம் கிருமிகள் உண்கிறது. நம் மனிதர்கள் விலங்குகள் கழிவினை எல்லாம் கிருமிகள் உண்கிறது. சிறு சிறு கிருமிகள் உண்கிறது. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. உலகினை சுற்றி வருகிற உயிரே பல உரு எடுக்கிறது. உலகினை சுற்றி வருகிற உயிரே பல உரு எடுக்கிறது. அந்த பல உருவாலே பல செயல் செய்து சூழலை காக்கிறது. அந்த பல உருவாலே பல செயல் செய்து சூழலை காக்கிறது. சுற்று சூழலை காக்கிறது. சுற்று சூழலை காக்கிறது. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. அந்த ஒற்றுமை தன்னில் வேற்றுமை அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. அவசியம் தேவைப்படுகிறது. ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒவ்வொரு உயிரை சார்ந்தே இருக்கிறது. Please write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. To join the next meeting, link will be shared shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp.
Very good. வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
We will be continuing Good evening. Good evening. Please unmute yourself and you can talk to us. For the remaining time, the session is open for discussion. We can interact and you can raise some questions. Good evening. The remaining time is open. Good evening, Rajiv Madam.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Wonderful session as always, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Please send your email to our this thing. We will be able to send you that resource material.
Okay, sir. I will send an email today, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. We are ending the meeting.